CBFI 30-ton flake ice machine chemical cooling case. To ensure safe and efficient chemical reactions, CBFI provides a one-stop cooling solution with a high-efficiency, stable 30-ton flake ice machine. Ice blade keeps the ice surface dry, making storage and transport easy. CBFI equipment complies with chemical industry safety standards, using fire-resistant and explosion-proof materials. The fully automatic ice storage uses a spiral design for efficient ice transport. One-click start, automatic operation, delivering ice to the reactor for cooling. This system provides precise, timely, and quantified ice supply, offering an efficient cooling solution. With extensive experience in chemical cooling, CBFI is dedicated to providing comprehensive refrigeration solutions to meet all your cooling needs.